Imagine a world where you could make money online without having to sell anything, provide a service, or invest in complicated schemes. What if all you needed to do was watch ads? This isn't a far-fetched fantasy. It's a reality that many are tapping into. Using a unique trick I'll show you today, you can make $2.49 every minute by watching Google ads. Yes, you heard it right. Every single minute. This method works no matter where you are in the world. The United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, India, the Philippines, everywhere. Plus, stick around until the end of this video because I have a bonus tip that will show you how to make up to $1,000 a day in pure passive income using this new website. The first thing you need to know is how this ad watching platform operates. You might be wondering why you get paid to watch ads in the first place. It's quite simple. Companies are always looking for ways to promote their products and services, and they are willing to pay for your attention. This website connects advertisers with viewers like you who are willing to watch ads in exchange for a small payment. To get started, you'll need to visit the platform where these ads are hosted. This site allows you to earn money by watching ads on Google from brands that align with your interests. While I will reveal the website's name in just a moment, it's important to first understand the basic mechanics of how it works. The process is simple. You watch ads from various brands. These ads appear on Google websites, and for every ad you watch, you earn money. What's more, you can also make money by referring others to the website. For every person who signs up using your referral link, you get $5. And guess what? When your earnings reach the minimum amount required for withdrawal, you can transfer your money directly to your PayPal account or choose from several other withdrawal options available on the site. Hundreds of brands, including some big names, have partnered with this website to show their ads. This means you'll never run out of ads to watch, and there are new ads available every single day. If you're curious about the site's legitimacy or want to know more about how it works, you can always click on the About Us section at the bottom of the homepage. But if you're ready to dive in and start making money, all you have to do is click on Sign Up Now. To sign up, enter your full name, email address, password, and date of birth. But here's an important tip. Remember this key detail, your server number. For example, mine is server 2. This server number is crucial because it's required every time you log in. So don't forget to note it down somewhere safe. Also, remember to tick the checkbox before hitting sign up. Once you sign up, you'll be directed to your dashboard. This is your control center where all your activities and earnings are displayed. You will notice right away that you've been credited with a $10 sign up bonus. What a great start. Now, let's talk about how to build on that and increase your earnings. When you scroll down your dashboard, you will see a list of available ads to watch. These ads are the key to earning more money. For example, the first ad on the list will pay you 54 cents just for watching it. Here's how it works. You'll see a complete button underneath it. Click that. This action will open a new browser tab redirecting to a third-party link that you don't need to proceed with. As the new tab opens, you can immediately close it. Then click the First Ad Complete button back on your dashboard again. It will show you, please don't close this page, recording your visit, and then you'll be redirected to a Google search page featuring the ad. At the top right corner, there will be a countdown timer set to 35 seconds. During this time, you need to remain on the page. Just scroll up and down occasionally to simulate interaction with the content. As the timer counts down, you don't need to do much else. Once it reaches 0, a skip button will appear at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this button to return to your dashboard. After clicking skip, you'll notice that your account has been credited with an additional 54 cents. Your balance has now increased to $10.54. Let's keep going. You can repeat this process with all the ads listed on your dashboard. The second ad pays you 62 cents. Again, click on the complete button. Close the new tab that opens, go back to your dashboard, click the Complete button again, wait for another 35-second countdown while scrolling up and down, and then click Skip. Now, your account balance will show an additional 62 cents, bringing your total to $11.16. After watching all the ads, you might notice a limitation. Only a certain number of ads are available every 24 hours, usually around 5. This means you'll need to wait a full day before you can watch those ads again and earn more money. But don't worry, there's a strategy to get around this and maximize your earnings. To continue making money beyond the daily ad limit, here's what you can do. The simplest way to increase your earnings is to create multiple accounts on the platform. You might wonder, how does this help? Each account can watch the daily quota of ads and earn up to $2.49. If you create 10 accounts, you could make $24.90 in a few minutes. Imagine the potential if you have even more accounts. It's an easy and efficient way to boost your income without putting in any extra effort. If you don't have multiple email addresses, don't worry, there's a solution. Use a service like tempmail.org to generate free, temporary email addresses. TempMail provides a temporary inbox that you can use to register multiple accounts without needing to create new email addresses manually. As you create more accounts, it's crucial to stay organized. Record each account's email, password, and server number. Save this information in a document or a secure app so that you can easily access it when you need to log back in. Let me show you how it works. Log out of your current account and go back to the sign-up page. Enter a different name, password, and date of birth. For the email address, go to tempmail.org and copy the temporary email shown in the box. Paste this email into the email field on the Ads Watching website. Remember your server number and click Sign Up. You'll now have a brand new account ready to earn. To create even more accounts, go back to TempMail and click on Change to get a new temporary email. Before you do, make sure to save the previous email and password in a Word document or somewhere safe so you can log in later. Use the new email to create another account and repeat this process to set up as many accounts as you want, completely free. Now, let's move on to the bonus tip for earning $1,000 a day. Go to the left side of your dashboard, go to the My Account section of your dashboard, and click on Invites Earnings. You'll see your unique referral link here. This is the link you'll use to earn from referrals. All you need to do is copy this link and start sharing it. Share it with friends, family, and anyone interested in making money online. The more people who sign up using your link, the more money you earn. It's as simple as that. Every time someone signs up using your referral link, you earn $5. Plus, they get a $10 bonus just for joining. This incentive makes it easier to convince people to sign up. If you manage to get 200 people to register through your link, you could potentially earn $1,000 a day. The name of this amazing site is cashvib.com, and everybody is earning through it from the comfort of their home. The trick is to gain more referrals, so to gain more referrals, head over to Facebook and search for Make Money Online in the search bar. Then filter your results to show public groups. These groups are perfect for promoting your referral link as they are filled with people looking for online income opportunities. Once you're in a group, craft a compelling post. For example, you could post, "I just made $200 from this website by simply watching ads, and it's completely free." Comment how below and I'll send you the details. To make your post more convincing, attach a payment-proof screenshot from the cashvib website. Go to the live payments section on the website and save an image of a payment proof. Since we mentioned $200 in the post, use an image that reflects this amount. Attach this image to your Facebook post to make it more convincing. The more groups you join and post in, the higher your chances of getting referrals. Engage with people who comment on your post by sharing your referral link and guiding them through the sign-up process. Remember, it's all about volume. The more you post, the more referrals you'll likely get. To maximize your referrals, aim to get about 10 to 30 people to sign up every day. This could translate to $2,000 to $4,000 per month. Now that you're racking up earnings, you'll want to withdraw your money. Thankfully, the platform provides multiple withdrawal options. From your dashboard, click on the Withdrawal option. This will take you to a page where you can see all the available methods to withdraw your money. The platform offers several options, including PayPal, Skrill, Payeer, Western Union, and Google Play gift cards. Each method has a minimum withdrawal limit of $70 and a maximum daily withdrawal limit of $100, but reaching that is a breeze if you're consistently using the methods I've shown you. Choose the method that best suits your needs. Follow the instructions for your chosen withdrawal method. Ensure that all your information is correct to avoid delays or issues. The platform typically processes withdrawals promptly, but depending on your chosen method, it might take a few days for the funds to reach your account. Consistency is key to maximizing your earnings with this method. To truly scale your efforts and make the most out of this opportunity, consider the following tips. Set aside a specific time each day to watch ads and manage your accounts. By creating a routine, you'll ensure that you're consistently earning and not missing out on daily opportunities. Keep a log of your daily earnings and referral counts. Tracking your progress will help you identify which strategies are working best and where you can improve. Continuously test and refine your referral strategies. Pay attention to which platforms and content types generate the most referrals and focus your efforts there. Don't be afraid to experiment with new ideas to see what works best. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more ways to earn money online. Hit the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. Stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and methods to help you achieve financial freedom from the comfort of your own home. See you in the next video.